Yeah, my people, big up on yourself, you know, you don't know the whole production there. Don't know the thing, alright? Well, viewers and sub, good morning! Alright. So right about now, you link come for us, talk about a situation when I say I go on right now and a matter when I say I go on right now, because, you know, New Link is all about the attack, and it's an attack, and that's how we are dealing with it, because you don't know what the people them say New Link get the attack and New Link have to give the attack. Well, viewers and subscribers, right now I see a popular dancehall artist, Harry Toddler. Him come forward and he must say, yo, him need help for him daughter and thing. You get me? Which me say other celeb do it before. In a Jamaica, other artists do it before, which nothing wrong for a man in need and him asks, you see me? Because the Bible say, so a man asks and it shall be given unto him. You get what me I say? So, as me I say still, nothing wrong with that. You get me? But for the real level, this is a question I really want to ask Mr. Harry Toddler. Because yo, you see, as me say, you know, you see, when you come on to health and you're sick and everything, honestly, and if a man need help, yeah, people friend can help him, give him. You see me? So if you don't know you have him Instagram account and him come forward pan and him say yo when daughter need heart surgery and all if something and you know it's a big risk for her life and thing, and she's such a beautiful, nice girl and thing. You get me I say? And even if she never beautiful and nice, see boy, you don't know a human being, so if you can help, you help. You get me I say? So as a New Link I say right about now, honestly, if you can help, you help. But on a real level, and a question what I really want to ask Mr. Harry Toddler say. Harry Toddler, you really ask for the help for your daughter, Zin? Or you ask for the help to make your name come on the scene for people talk about you, or you know what I mean? For give your name a highlight a straight, because you know a lot of things sometimes people, the artists them use a lot of things. I mean, I just talk the truth, you know, because I don't know if New Link talk the truth. And a reality me I talk on a real level. Because I observe before I talk, and I come some reason with my youth them before I talk, and we decide say, yeah, you need to talk about it. Zin? So I'm going to say, are you doing it? You understand? Forget this highlighter. If you know people talk about Harry Toddler with his daughter, then they can do a song about the daughter and try to get the big push, or you really do it for your art, or you really need help from your art. Because for the real level people, me not think Harry Toddler in need of $2,000. Just my truth fact from my art. Me not bad mind no man, me not discourage no man, me not talk nothing bad against no man. You get what me I say? But it's just the truth. Zin, alright, $2,000. $2,000, look on the people, $2,000, that's 208,000 Jamaican dollars, which means many people here in Jamaica can't find it who do 9 to 5. You get me? It's not they can't find it because they could have saved and make it up when they have rent for pay, when they have picnic for send guys school, when they have so much things to do. It is so hard for them to find that money, honestly, because before, when I used to do, like in the Jamaica and working 9 to 5 and paying rent, that it's not that I don't work and can save $200,000, but by paying rent and, you know what I mean, taking care of the families, buying, you know, you're going to want the new shoes, you're going to need that suit of clothes and all of that, food to eat, you know what I mean, paying light bill, water bill, it's rare you can do that. It's going to take you a good little time. So yeah, me understand. But, first thing, Harry Toddler, me say, you don't look hungry like that. You don't look hungry. Real level, me not this say, you don't look hungry. I see, you get booked for a couple shows, yeah, as an artist, yeah. And about a big song, I think it was last year or the year before, the song where, but Dubai, the thing they want to do, the dance, but feeling light, yeah, and thing. We know that you're part of Dancehall Records, right? Which is owned by Joe Pangovich, which is, you have to say, one of the richest man in Jamaica in the entertainment thing right now, because actually Joe, in some sense, I'm around dancehall somewhere, right? So, yeah, put it away there. Look into the whole thing. Honestly, you got to Joe. Joe know your daughter, your daughter, right? Which your partner and team, I said, Joe, even if you don't have it, say, yo, I want $2,000 for borrow. I think you know again. You have so much big people in down sound. Yeah, Scatterboy who seem to me one of the bosses thing right now. I see him on a truck where they're full of plyboard and full of something. No way am I gonna make it for hotel or what. You get me? Or if he does, I take the picture on top of the people and truck, which me don't know about. But me gonna say that still. There are so many means and ways. $2,000. Honestly, you have a car a drive still. I don't have a fear still, but I don't think of fear. I think it's your car. And if you need a 2,000, you sell a car. You can sell a car same way. I understand. But as me I say now, for me, your daughter need help, and I tell the people and go up on the Instagram, you have a link on it. You understand? Please help your assisting data if you can in any way. Which I think you should make that, because you have a GoFundMe as well too. Page. You understand? Never try to reach $2,000. Which I wonder if, honestly, as I say, is this just to get the highlight on the scene, Mr. Tad Larwa? Because I see many artists do it, you know. When I look at him, I say, Nico Chromatic, where it need so much, enough people never help him same way. You know, that was such a sad situation. Because I'm passing and, you get me, I say, enough look at people need help same way. You understand? Enough poor people in Jamaica, honestly, poor class people, when I have need help right now, sick too. You get me? Sick in need. And honestly, let me tell anybody, if you know anybody right now when I have it, seeing them need help, get me? Just send me the true information about them story, right? I've looked a video clip, so at least me can know, and me get my correspondent, go speak to the person or whatever, and then I will set up a GoFundMe page for them and 100% towards them, or I will put the video on my channel, because we have a lot of viewers and subscribers right now who are willing to give and helping out to people who in need. But as me are telling you, people, if a man when desperately not in need, please don't shadow the way of other people out there. You get me? Because as an entertainer who in the music business so long, I don't think you're that desperate, brethren. Big man thing. Because yo, lot of other people out there need help, you know. On a real level, you know. You know, $2,000 and a big sum. That are easy. As me tell you that are fit. Come on, man. As we are telling the people, I just say truth, man. I just say truth. A lot of other people out there need the help. When they go and look on some look a sick pitney, when they go to hospital and you see how them have to live and the parents have to cry. Some people can't afford it because the mother weak, they never can find food to eat. A lot of things are happening. You get me? I say, so the artists them for go around and quick for help. Help some look up. I mean, I'm telling you, help people in the street, man. Help them. Zin, me not rich enough. Me not rich. Zin, me not make 500,000, 3,000 like boom. Like our artist can come to boom and say, yo, get a stage show and get 3,000 like, you see me? Cause look at, see what me there? I'm just doing black stuff, put words out there for help people. I'm doing my best. But the artists them who out there are making this big sum of money, man. I only fi out there I give. No artist no fear beg. Only fear give on in the music so long. And that discourage me say if I want to be an artist right now. Because I say nothing in the music then. Honestly, because if I'm going to do the music so much years, when the music for me? What in the music for me then? I want to know what in the music for me then. Come on, man. We as Jamaican, we need to think how we need to do better. Zane, on a real level now, and it's a serious matter, you know. I need that to stretch it too long, because you see me stretch this too long, maybe I'll go 3-5 hours and attack same, because this is a whole heap to it. You get me? And when you link with not to stretch out too long for the people, because you don't know the people, no people have work for dealing, and them just want to new link in the morning, quick, and go through. And you know what I mean? Because some people say, wait for your new link, because some subscriber and fans wait for me. So, as me are telling my fans, my viewers, I'm a subscriber on a real level, the artists them need to do better. Then, do better. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing going to big up on yourself and this new link from where? New link production. Big up the whole new link production team, you know. You don't know that the whole Turks and Caicos and the whole of Jamaica, the whole Caribbean, big up. You don't know the thing go. Then, you big up the whole of the fans in America, Canada, England, all over Europe, Africa. You don't know the thing go. Australia, big up to the whole football side of the World Cup, but you don't know who say. Germany, big up, you don't know the thing go, man. Straight up. A new link, and we have to big up the whole of Jamaica, enough love and enough respect, and you don't know the thing go. Keep on liking, keep on commenting, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, and keep on supporting about a new link. Yeah, man, don't forget to remember September coming up is the Kids Street. In that community in Jamaica, don't know. We soon put up everything for the people them can know how to help and assist with the treat coming up. You don't know the thing go. So big up on yourself, people. We are say, help one man, help one. Zin, help one brothers and sisters. Big up on yourself. Don't know the thing. New Link production is here. Up.